my channel.
It's a plum head parrot. It's female because it's having the blue grace that headed. Plum head parrots. Male having a pinkish purple head in. Females like gray, bluish gray. Many of these birds, especially the males, are good talkers. Even females are also good talkers, but it is female now only starting to talk.
Baby.
Most plumhead parrots, they are very closer to the pupil owner, we can say. They are not considered as a small bird. They will be thinking as a friend, like that they will be just intelligent. This plumhead parrot of bird in open woodland, it is staying in open woodland. Even in a city garden also it may be coming. They are found from the foothills of the very hill stations. They are not we cannot find in the dry season also. It is like a cool season it will be. And also it is very good in color. The head, it is female bird because it is a grayish blue, the bluish gray, we can say, both colors mixed. And body green and yellow and blue. It's a small bird, and also very talkative bird. Even now only it is learning to talk.
Other birds.
It's a Asian parrot, makes a good pet. It is less aggressive and possessive than some other species. It is very good. It is very friendly with their owner, and it gets along well with others too. And also we can get this parrot from India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, like these countries. Okay, when we can hand feed the babies, it will become very stronger with their owners. It's very friendly with their owners too. However, regular interaction still necessary to maintain human bonding with the birds. This is very good bird.